Hello everyone, thank you very much for participating. Today's topic, reporting and deadlines to pay taxes. Nowadays, a lot of foreigners run business in Poland. When you run business in Poland as limited liability company, you must know what reporting is obligatory and when are deadlines for paying taxes. For this is for you. Don't rely blindly on your accountant. In this presentation, you will find out what is obligatory reporting in Poland and when you must pay taxes. My name is Bogdan Adamowicz. I'm working for Progress Holding Company. Our company is focusing on providing services to the foreigners. That's why we know what you may need. Progress Holding is more than 20 years on the market. We assist to foreign investors from more than 30 countries. We are experienced in registering and providing accountancy for hundreds of companies. We support your company from incorporation to everyday business. Okay. Now, dates for reporting. You see that reporting is based on the documentary, does not affect, and that the income cash flow does not affect your reporting and paying taxes. What I mean that if you have you issue invoice for $1 million and you are not paid for that, you have to pay tax. What are reports? Social Security, it's up to 15th day of the following month. That's for all companies. Calculation of personal income tax and corporate income tax to the 20th day of the following month. You may ask quarterly reporting in this respect, particularly corporate income tax, but after your company is 2 years on the market. Report for VAT is up to the 25th of the following month. Other reports, annual reports. There are two annual reporting. One is annual tax return and annual financial statement. Both of them have to be prepared by the end of March. And end of March, you have to deliver an annual tax return to the tax office. By June next year, you have to approve annual financial statement. July 15th, you have your annual financial statement to be uploaded to KRS, its registry, as 24 system. Certainly, those dates, they are applicable for those companies who have reporting annual year of reporting starting from 1st January till the end of December. If your reporting year is different, say 31st of March, it's adequately changed. When you have to pay taxes and Social Security. Social Security you pay on the 15th day of the following month. It's applicable to all companies. Personal income tax and corporate income tax you pay to the 20th day of the following month. And my remark, you pay that monthly you have monthly calculation. If you don't pay corporate income tax in January, due to the fact that you know that in February you will have the same laws and accrued you have zero, the tax office after the year end will ask you to compensate due to the fact that you didn't give a chance to the state treasury to use your funds. They will ask interest. You have to bear in mind this. VAT is payable up to the 25th day of the following month. And usually what's the case, that if you have refund, you may ask that together with VAT report, request for refund VAT, and you will have that within 60 days on your current account or 30 days on your VAT account. Next, the annual tax return. When you deliver to the tax office your report and there were some discrepancies and you have to pay as soon as possible. After delivery of the annual tax return, tax office has 3 months to execute return. Within this period, they return or they ask clarifications, then your reply for clarification is a starting point of these 3 months. Bear in mind that tax office can penalize you if you don't deliver and pay CIT. And usually the amount is, the smallest is 500 zloty, but depends on the size of your company. KRS penalty in practice is between 3 to 5,000 PLN, but it may be much more. When the tax office requests you to pay, you have to act usually within 7 days. Clarify or pay outstanding tax. Otherwise, tax office may easily block your account, and they can do that well in a quick way. Well, that's all for now. If this information was valuable for you, click like or send questions. We will be happy to reply to you. Well, take care. That's all for now.